What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Tealers video. Today I'm doing starting tight ends for the 1920 season, or 2019 to 2020 season. So excited for football. I want it back so bad. The only reason I don't is because school is going to be back when it starts, so whatever. Okay, so let's start off with TJ Hawkinson, starting tight end for the Rams now. Awesome player. My favorite rookie this year. I really wanted him. Really bad. But we didn't get him. I'm a Broncos fan, by the way. If you didn't know that. Okay. I'm going to put him at good because he's not bad. I mean, he's not bad, but we haven't seen him yet. So I'm not putting him any higher than that. Trey Burton. I'm going to put him at great. I'm going to just put him at great because, you know, he has his times where he's just really good. He never really makes mistakes. How about that? But he never really is, like, amazing, you know? Alright, Vance McDonald, great blocker. I'm going to put him at great too, and I think he's better than Burton, in my opinion. People are definitely going to get mad if you really pay attention to football. I mean, I don't have a popular channel or anything, but yeah. Vance McDonald, great at blocking, yeah. David Njoku, I'm going to put him at near elite, because he's a great player. I even thought that in college. I really wanted him in college too. Like, tight end is one of my favorite positions. If not my favorite. Is this Eifert? That's Eifert, right? I think it's Eifert. Is it? No, it's not. Wait, is it not? Who's number 87? 1 second, guys. CJ Ozuma or something like that. I don't think he's good at all. I mean, I don't even think... Okay, Hayden Hurst, bad. I'm checking. I think he's better than... I don't think he's good, though. Hurst. I never really see this guy play. That's why I put him there. I don't know. Jared Cook is definitely near elite. I think Njoku might be better because Jared Cook has played for so many years, and he's getting better. So it's, like, tough, you know. Greg Olsen. Should I put him? I got to put him at elite. How can't I? I mean, he's just a great player. Austin Hooper, one of the best in the league. I want to put him at great, not near elite yet. He has to show me more, but he's awesome. He's an awesome player. I like him a lot. Cameron Brate, I'm going to put him at good. I don't really have explanation. I mean, him and freaking O.J. Howard, they're both really good, so yeah. Hunter Henry, I think? Hunter Henry is really good. I'm going to put him at the bottom and near elite and keep him there. This is that one guy, Swain. This is Goff Swain. Bad. He's not good at all. Yeah. Eric Ebron, he's near elite. He's better than Cook. He's better than Eric Ebron all day. Who is this? I actually don't know who that is. I don't want to look up red guy. Like, what do I even look up? I don't know who that is. I'm sorry, I don't know who that is. Okay. Delaney Walker, great. He's better than... Yeah, I'm going to put him right there because he's really old. It's, like, crazy how old he is. Ertz, I'm going to put Olsen. I think Ertz is better than Olsen right now. I'm going to put Jason Witten right there because... I mean, he just came back from, like, a year break, and he's really old, so yeah. I'm gonna put, Jared Cook right here, because he's so good if he doesn't get injured all the time. I'm gonna put him there, too. I think McDonald might be better. I'm gonna just keep that. Evan Ingram is good, too. This is Benjamin Watson. I think he's starting for the Patriots no. Matt Lacoste is starting for the Patriots this year. But, Ben Watson, I'm going to put him better than... I'm just going to put him better than Hawkinson, I guess. Tyler Kroft, he isn't that good of a player. I'll put him at the bottom of good, I guess. I'm still trying to figure out who this guy is. I don't... Okay. Noah Fant, I mean, I have to put him, like, right here, right? Like, I'm just going to put them at the bottom right here. That's how I feel right there. Because these two, I mean, Fant was our pick in the first round. New Bronco. Let's go. I hope he does good and stuff. Yeah. Dude, Herndon is great. He's a great player. There. I'm going to put him right there. He has to show me more, like I said. Mike Gesicki. I'm going to put him. What is? Okay. I'm going to put him right there. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is Aitman, who is not a tight end. Okay. Raiders, number 83. It might be Aitman. Darren Waller. Who? I honestly don't know. That's him right there. Darren Waller. No clue who that is. Never heard of that guy. I'm not even lying to you. I've never heard of that guy. Ooh, okay. Higbee. Higbee's good. He's better. Yeah, I'm gonna put him right there. Yeah. Charles Clay. I'm gonna put him right. Let's put him right. I'm gonna put him right there. Disley, dude. Disley. Dude, he's really good. I think he's underrated. He killed us in the first game. He got a couple touchdowns and stuff. I'm gonna put him at the top right here. Maybe, yeah. No, there. That's where I'm gonna put him. Oh, Kittle, top. Kelsey, best tight end in the league right now. Graham, right here, and him, number 1 right here. So let me sort this now. So, Ertz is better than Kittle, I guess. Kittle's right there, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. I'm gonna put Graham in front of Henry. I like this right here, this setup right there, boom, boom, and then boom. That's my tight ends video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, and yeah, bye.